Yes.
My Lord, may I make a mention for item 4 of hearing list, Your Lordship. This matter may kindly be referred to Lok Adalat, my Lord. Item 4. Because
Both parties?
Both parties, yes, with the consent of the both
Where?
parties.
My lord, I have been instructed by the leading counsel for the respondents to submit that he has no objection.
Just give me that item number 4.
Your Lordship, this is regarding the dispute between the siblings with regard to pertaining
You
to
want
one
to go for Lok Adalat
Lok
or
Adalat.
mediation?
Lok Adalat.
Is there a Lok Adalat scheduled?
Yes, my Lord.
When?
April, in the month of April.
Just get an information from the registry as to whether there is any Lok Adalat scheduled. If so, when? Near future? Then we'll pass that order. We'll pass it tomorrow.
Yes.
Let him get that instruction.
Yes.
Or if you want to go for mediation, I can do it immediately. There is no problem. You make that submission tomorrow.
Yes. Well,
But
we
if
prefer.
there is a Lok Adalat coming up, then only I'll direct.
It will be coming up soon, my Lord. So, yes.
Let the registry put up a note.
Yes. And my Lord, another item 9 of hearing list may be taken up on Wednesday, please, my Lord. Leading counsel is from Guwahati and
Just show me what is that. Won't be possible because Thursday is the last date and I'm not here next week, tentatively. So may not be possible, and Thursday we have all those
yes.
issues coming up.
The problem is that I have spoken to the learned PP, so she will be available on Wednesday, my Lord.
May not be possible. You can have a different date, Monday, Tuesday, whenever possible. Give me that, I'll fix the matter accordingly. Because outstation councils are
That
involved.
it may be Passover for today, my Lord, so I'll just
You
consult
can
them.
make
Yes.
that mention tomorrow. Give
Yes,
me the
tomorrow
date
I'll make a
tomorrow.
mention. Much obliged.
But Wednesday, Thursday will not be possible.
Yes, yes. I understand, my Lord.
My Lord, with regard to part 2, item number 12, this matter may be taken up tomorrow. The counsel for the appellant is absent today, my Lord, due to some personal difficulty. I'm appearing
Okay,
for the
whenever
price.
he is there, make a mention, we'll take it up.
Tomorrow, my Lord.
Whenever it's supposed to.
My Lord.
If you please, Your Lordship, regarding item 11, will it, Your Lordship,
Just
will,
make a note, not for today.
regarding item 11, this is a MAC appeal. Will it be possible on Wednesday, Your Lordship? If not, then some.
Wednesday, I don't want to keep myself tied up with any hearing matters. Tomorrow, fine.
There are some matters tomorrow already.
Then make a mention, we'll not dismiss it next week.
Right.
Any hearing matters tomorrow, no problem. Wednesday, Thursday, don't. Thursday because we may have to rise early also.
My Lord, if I make a mention for item 1, part 2, my Lord, this matter was fixed for today. However,
Next
Miss
week.
Mary, who has taken up the case, has personal difficulties.
Okay, next week.
My Lord, can we fix the date
When?
on 18 if possible?
As prayed for by the learned counsel for the parties, comma, a registry to list this matter for hearing again on 18.
Yes, my Lord.
18/3/2025. Item number 1, part 2, huh?
Yes, my Lord. And my Lord, item number 5, this matter is taken up by Miss Linda. And my Lord, she's on leave, so if this matter may be taken up after 2 weeks.
If the matters remain as such, on Wednesday we'll pass orders fixing it next week, okay? Don't worry, I'm not dismissing anything.
May I please, Your Lordship, with regard to part 2 hearing list, item number,
Want to do it today?
no, my Lord, part number 3 and 6, I'm the newly appointed GA. So this case has been just recently endorsed to me,
You are not in a position to do it.
Lordship.
Don't make a mention by Wednesday, I'll pass orders fixing it. Don't worry.
Obliged.
If anybody wants to do, just tell me. Today and tomorrow.
Your Lordship, in respect of item number 6 and 7 from the hearing list, as the leading counsel, Mr. A.R. Malhotra, is out of session, may the matter be listed after a week.
But fine, Wednesday we'll pass the orders, don't worry. I assure you, I'll not dismiss it. That much only.
May I seek Your Lordship intelligence in mentioning item number 10, part 2, my Lord. If the matter
Want
may
to
be
do it
taken.
today?
No,
Tomorrow?
no, my Lord. Yes, tomorrow, my Lord.
Tomorrow, okay. Item number 10.
Item number 10.
10.
Part, yes,
Oh, done. Tomorrow.
part 2.
Tomorrow call it.
Your Lordship, item number 13, part 2, hearing list Your Lordship, despite the matter is listed for hearing, paper book is not yet prepared in the present criminal appeal. So,
Oh, what is the charge involved?
Your Lordship,
Under section, conviction under section?
it is filed under 3742 CRPC.
No paper book prepared. How come it?
Conviction.
This matter has been listed.
He is convicted under 376 IPC 1, 3761 IPC.
Was any submission made that LCR has been received, that you don't require a paper book?
No,
Because
Your
there
Lordship,
it seems that
I already prayed at that time, but
you
at the
prayed
ti-
for a hearing, that's why the court fixed the matter for hearing.
But at the time, the court did not allow me as it is fixed for hearing. But considering all the evidence and statement from the judicial,
No,
judicial
the
sta-
LCR is here.
yes,
Fine, you make your submissions.
yes, please kindly the list be mattered tomorrow.
The evidences are recorded in English.
Yes, but judicial statement of the victim is not recorded. Is recorded in Mizo vernacular.
Then let it be fixed before one of the judges familiar with the Mizo language.
Yes.
Okay, we'll pass the orders on Wednesday, don't worry.
Okay, Lordship.
Daily list for admission, item number 1.
My lord, on behalf of the counsel for the petitioner, my lord,
Yes, who is appearing for the respondents?
the petitioner counsel is on left, my lord.
No,
This may
fine,
be
fine,
personal
don't
for
worry.
time being.
It's between me and the respondents. Yes, madam.
My lord, Miss Mary is appearing on behalf of the
Huh,
respondent.
Miss Mary is appearing. What happened?
16, my lord.
Huh?
Miss Mary is appearing on behalf of respondent 16,
Huh.
who was instructed to take steps. And she's not here, my lord.
What happened to her?
She has personal difficulties, my lord. And I've heard that steps have been taken and
No, that's what I want. Everything is done, only that conversion to 2013 Act
yes,
is
my
to be
lord,
done.
it's
Then
in-
everything
it's-
is perfect.
It's in the process,
Wednesday.
my lord. Yes,
You're
my lord.
government, you're in the
No, no,
government
no, my
panel. Who
lord.
is in the government panel?
Uh,
Madam. You are there in the government panel.
My lord, I'm not newly appointed.
Ah, okay, fine. You good. A new assignment for you. Get an instruction. What has happened? File de do unko. Dekhne bolo. See the last order. Everything is done. Only a little part is left.
Obliged.
Do that. Come back on Wednesday.
Obliged, madam.
Wednesday. You just go through the orders. Whoever talk to Miss Mary or the concerned authorities, let me know what has happened. Right?
Item number 2.
May it please your lordship. My lord, as allowed by this honorable court, we have taken steps by way of Dusty and have
Is
submitted.
there a regular incumbent in the post of state project director today?
My lord?
Is there a regular incumbent? Yeah, nahi chal raha hai kya?
Wait, 2 May 3.
Is there a regular incumbent?
I apologize, I am in item number 2.
Two.
I was under the impression that item 2 was called out.
No, item 2 only. No. What is this?
This is a different matter, my lord.
3 has been called up. FAO. Oh,
Yes.
sorry. Okay, my mind. You have not taken steps for respondent number 2 and 3.
Correct,
right?
my lord, correct. As per the latest information that I received from the respondent number 1, respondent number 2 apparently has been arrested in some cheating case in Arunachal Pradesh. so we could not ascertain his correct address. And similar with respondent number 3, because at that point of time, this was the address that was provided to us and which we obtained from the lower court. But notice apparently when it was served, it came back as address not found. So we're having some difficulty with respondent number 2 and 3.
2, you can get where he is now in the jail, wherever he is, you can take steps on him.
Yes, we're trying to
ascertain that.
I have spoken with the respondent number 1, in fact, this morning, and apparently he has again shifted from Arunachal to Guwahati, somewhere in Beltola area, that he will find out today and will intimate me accordingly.
I'll give you a week's time, you
My lord.
rectify this.
Yes. And in respect of this respondent number 4 and 5, Your Lordship, since...
ID card notices were issued on when were the notices issued to 4 and 5?
On 28, sorry. We've taken steps some time back, Your Lordship, but it was returned as unserved as per office note dated 28/6/24. But what is surprising is that, Your Lordship, this 6 and 7 came back duly served and the address is the same.
When did you take fresh steps for?
We are yet to take fresh steps, so if I may be allowed to take fresh steps.
Mr. Lal Fak Mama, Learned Counsel for the appellant, submits that he be given a week's time to take steps upon the respondent's number, would be 2, 3, 4 and 5, right?
At this point, only 4 and 5, because I'm yet to
2, 3,
ascertain address of...
The deficiency is 2, 3, 4 and 5.
Right.
2, 3, 4 and 5. Full stop. You get your correct addresses, do it.
My lord.
Full stop. Prayer accepted. Register to list this matter again. Full stop. In the event of filing of requisites for taking of steps, register to issue notices to the respondents number 2, 3, 4 and 5 in the manner as directed by this court earlier in the present proceedings. Full stop. Register to submit, register to list this matters after 4 weeks along with a note pertaining to the status of service of notice upon the respondents number 2, 3, 4 and 5.
One small submission, Your Lordship. I've submitted one affidavit of service in respect of respondent number 1.
Okay. And thus the affidavit is filed. An affidavit is filed on behalf of the appellant pertaining to the service of notice upon the respondent number 1 by way of thus the. Anybody appearing? Nobody is appearing.
At this point, no.
Full stop. A perusal of the affidavit reveals that the respondent number 1 has been served. Accordingly, the service upon respondent number 1 is held to be complete. Full stop. उसके बाद नीचे वाला लिख दें.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 3.
Yes, Victor, is there anybody
Not
holding
yet,
the...
not yet, my lord, but there's a development, my lord. If in the direction
They
of
have
this
considered?
court, yes, my lord.
They have considered?
Yes, my lord. Although the direction of this court in the petition is only for consideration of my representation, but they have considered the claims of the petitioners, both in letter and spirit. This order, dated 16 December 2024, is the allocation of fund in respect of the claims of the petitioners.
What is left? Withdraw it.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Victor Ralte submits that the order passed by the Learneds, by the White, the directions passed by this court, White order dated 3/11/2023 in WPC number 135/2023 has been complied by the respondents. Accordingly, he submits that the accordingly he submits that the petitioners are not desirous to press the present contempt petition any further. Full stop. In view of the above submissions, the contempt petition stands closed.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 4.
If you please, Your Lordship, this contempt petition has been pending for the last 1 year, and the respondents have not entered appearance till date, even though notice has been completed, Your Lordship. And as per the direction of this court in the last order, justice service has been completed and affidavit to that effect has been submitted.
But 1 to 6 still now pending.
Yes, my lord, but they have received, notice has been completed.
Oh, how can I presume that?
We have served, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, the respondent number,
Who normally represents these authorities?
they have their own standing council, usually the CGCs, Central Government Councils.
So assessment is made.
Assessment has been made, and this matter is a covered matter. It was actually agreed.
No, I'm not on that. I'm least bothered.
Okay.
The direction is for assessment
Assessment,
and then for the railways to release the requisite funds.
my lord.
So assessment made by the jurisdictional deputy commissioner,
My lord,
but the amount has not been released by the
railway.
railways.
And no appeal has been filed, no nothing, just mum.
Line. And your respondent number 7. where is
Respondent
that?
number 7 is the main respondent. He is,
No, where is that, Dusty? This is the one.
yes, Your Lordship. So, my lord, we pray that this respondent number 7, he's in Mizoram only. He is the main person on the ground looking after the matter, and all the files go through him. So,
Get hold of a CGC.
CGC has told me that regarding contempt matters, she has to be appointed by them specifically.
I'll request her. You get her. The court will be requesting. You get hold of her. We'll find a way out. After some time.
After. Okay.
Next.
Item number 5 and 6.
Madam, one clarification. You had put a rule or a regulation to challenge. It's a rule, act. And the order was passed by the division bench.
Yes,
Right?
Your Lordship.
Why is this contempt before a single bench and not before a division bench? Okay, what is your prayer?
Your Lordship, in this matter, justice service has served to the respondent and notice may deem to be complete.
And they have filed an affidavit also. Make your submissions. Who is appearing for the respondents? This is item number?
5 and 6, Lordship.
5 and 6. Okay. Mr. L. Silo, respond number 1, 2, and 4. Who is Mr. L. Silo? They have entered appearance. 1, 2, and 4 has entered appearance, madam.
Yes.
Get him. Get him. Who is the advocate? L. Silo. Yes, madam.
My lord, they were here just a moment ago. maybe
Okay.
they left.
Get him. We'll see.
Item number 7.
May it please your lordship, as allowed by this honorable court.
Dusty taken.
Yes.
Yes, my
affidavit
lord,
to the effect has been filed on 17/2.
Yes, my lord, I will be appearing for the respondent. So if time may be granted to file my power.
You'll be appearing for the...
Respondents.
Okay. Just a moment. This is that case wherein the husband of the appellant was an army man.
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
Yes. He is a pensioner of the army. He bought a landed property.
He had a separate LSE for that?
Yes, my lord.
And he was continuing therein?
Yes.
And the father and the sister, they were separate.
Yes, my lord.
Why did you then have eviction proceedings also instituted in the matter?
Yes, my lord. We filed the eviction suit, but they challenged the heirship certificate granted to me.
No, no. Why did you file if they are not staying with you?
My lord, after the death of my husband,
They forcefully came.
They forcefully entered the house and kicked me out.
That is why the eviction proceeding.
Yes, my lord.
But it's a property of your husband.
Yes, my lord.
And your case is under that Mizoram inheritance thing.
Yes, my lord.
Husband, that it will be you if you don't marry.
Yes,
Remarry.
madam.
Yes, madam.
Yes, my lord. If time may be granted to me because I haven't gone through.
I'll grant you till eternity, don't problem. But just satisfy this query. What locus do you have?
The thing is that, my lord, I have not gone through the case, and
Tomorrow.
at the moment I don't know.
Tomorrow.
Yes, my lord.
Okay?
Yes, my lord.
Done.
Obliged, my lord.
As prayed for by the Learned Council for the parties, registry to list this matter again. Tomorrow.
Item number 8.
Lordship, I am on behalf of my senior, Mr. Johnny L. Tauchong, counsel for respondent number 1 and 2 in this matter. My lord, my senior is not unavailable. Is unavailable today. He has some personal difficulties, my lord. So if the matter may be taken up on next week.
Next week?
Yes, my lord.
Sure. Are you sure?
Yes, my
You
lord.
don't want to do it today?
Yes, my lord.
Right.
I don't want to do it today. Yes, my lord.
You are safe for a week. As prayed for by the Learned Council for the respondents. Baba, as prayed for on behalf of Mr.
Johnny L. Tauchong.
Johnny L. Thompson, Learned Council appearing for the respondents number
1 and 2.
1 and 2 for an adjournment in the matter on account of certain personal inconvenience not objected to by the Learned Council for the applicant. Registry to list this matter again after a week on a date to be fixed by.
Much obliged.
Mr. Counsel, you don't have any explanation. I was ready to dismiss this matter. You are saved for a week.
I'm obliged.
Item number
First, Counsel, see what the court's pulse is and then make a submission. This submission I would have given you even if after that.
Item number 10.
Okay. LCR received, but
my lord-
service is not complete.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Seen the office note dated 4/3/2025. Service of notice upon the sole respondent is not complete. Await service of notice upon the sole respondent for further 3 weeks. Registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by it. Obliged.
Item number 11.
My Lord, I have taken steps upon the respondent number 6 and 7 on 7 to 2025. However, ID card has not returned yet.
Notices were issued on 7/2. We'll wait for some more time.
Anyhow, my Lord, these two respondents were the co-defendants in the trial court before trial court. So they have not contested the suit and they were on my side. This IA can be disposed of, can be made, the interim order may be made obsolete.
You are appealing for?
I'm appearing for respondent number 1, my lord.
He is the respondent number 1 appellant and he is fairly submit that they have
There is
done
been admitted.
construction.
Appeal has been admitted.
It is in the stage of hearing already, my lord, but in the meanwhile there was some construction going on in the suit property.
Okay. There was no interim directions passed in the appeal.
Yes, my lord.
Any interim
The
direction?
suit was dismissed.
Okay.
Suit filed by me was
dismissal of the
dismissed.
suit you've given.
This can be disposed of, my lord. No
It can-
further construction.
This IA can be made absolute.
During the appeal, the allegation is that I had made new construction within the suit land. So that is the only allegation. From my side, my submission was that I had some renovations only. Even that also I had stopped already. So it can be disposed of and let the appeal be.
But to prevent
listed
further
for hearing.
construction, my lord, let the interim order be absolute.
ISC number 16/2025. The present interlocutory application has been instituted by the applicant/appellant, praying for a direction upon the respondent number 1.
May I intervene, my lord? I am the applicant respondent. Not the,
You are the appellant here.
I'm the
He is the
appellant.
appellant.
Okay, sorry.
And also the opposite party.
Has been filed by the applicant/respondent to restrain the opposite party number 1/appellant from making any further construction or development within the suit property. Full stop. Mr. V. Revictor Ralte, Learned Counsel submits that during the pendency of the present appeal, the respondent, the opposite party number 1/appellant has been taking active steps towards construction of a house within the suit land, and accordingly, in the event the same is allowed to be proceeded, the interest of the applicant/respondent shall be prejudiced. First, to the above submission made by the Mr. Learned Counsel for the applicant/respondent, the Learned Counsel for the opposite party number 1/appellant has submitted that he had only carried out certain renovation works with regard to the house with regard to the structure already existing in the suit land, and had not made any further new constructions therein. First off, he accordingly submits that he would not, he further submits that the renovation works as undertaken by him have also been stopped, and also undertakes to not carry out any fresh construction activity over the suit land in question. First off, in view of the above submission of the Learned Counsel for the opposite party number 1/appellant, the present interlocutory application need not be detained any further, and the same is disposed of with a direction to the parties to maintain status quo as on today
Yes, ma'am.
with regard to the suit land. Full stop. With the above observations and actions, the present interlocutory application stands disposed of. Full stop. Any order in the appeal? It has come for
No,
the
my lord.
Yeah, it may be listed for hearing again.
To be listed for hearing. in his office.
appeal as agreed to by the Learned Counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter for a appeal में माना for hearing in the month of next month, April,
After 2 weeks, my lord.
this month only,
Yes. Next month.
in the last week of March, in the week beginning from March, beginning from 24/3/2025. Okay. Hearing list में ला देना ये.
I'm obliged.
Much obliged.
Anything left?
Yes, Lordship. Item number 4 for admission.
That railway matter?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, madam. Why is your railway officials acting so hard to get? Huh?
My lord, this contempt matter, my lord. The contempt case, my lord. Then in the contempt case, I cannot.
I want you to do nothing.
Oh, okay.
I only want you to inform them
Okay.
that the court is taking up this matter again on Wednesday.
Okay.
If they have anything to say, they will come and say. Otherwise, I will get them here on Thursday.
Okay.
This much only. Can you do that for me?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Obliged,
Madam,
Your Lordship.
My lord, however, kindly furnish me.
Yes, he
the
will furnish you.
respondent.
Give her a copy.
My lord, today
With the
itself.
names of all the respondents.
My lord.
I only want a connected person in Guwahati to be in Mizoram to come and tell me, either through a council or he himself can come. I'm not calling him today,
Okay.
but he himself can come, or he can engage a council, or he can put the message through you. But I want a response as to what they are doing. Right? It is seen that the respondent number 7, although served, had not appeared in the matter. Accordingly, this court has requested Madam Kanam Lilina, CGC, to inform the respondents number 6 and 7. Respondents number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7.
My lord, respondent number 2 has been replaced by respondent number 6, General Manager.
Okay, okay.
So 6 and 7 will
Six.
suffice.
6, this one will require 4 also. 4 is there?
Yes, my lord.
4,
4, 6,
5,
7.
4, 6 and 7.
5 has been replaced by 7.
Okay, 4, 6 and 7, huh? That the present contempt petition would again be taken up by this court on Thursday at 10:30 a.m. Full stop. The said respondents are required to place their stand in the matter with regard to implementation of the directions passed by this court by order dated 15/5/2023 in WPC number 47/2023, right?
Right.
47/2023. Full stop. Full stop. Further orders as may be called for in the matter shall be so passed on the next date of listing after receiving the response from Madam Namtu Likhitana, from so and so, Learned CGC, so and so. Just give me a proof of your, send them a letter, fax, whatever you do, keep a proof, just give me that.
Okay.
Thursday.
Item number 5 and
Madam,
6.
this is just a request. I'm not asking you to appear. I only want you to
Okay.
communicate the mind of the court. to
Yes,
them.
sir.
Item numbers 5 and 6.
Yes, madam. Yes, you are paying for?
1, 2 and 4, my lord.
Yes, what is your stand?
My lord, in this contempt number 5 and 6,
Contempt, why is it listed? This is a division bench order. Here, all contempts are listed in the single bench award. But there is no single bench here. It's directly a division bench. Everything is placed before the single bench only. Okay, fine. Yes.
basically, my lord, though they are entitled to get their pension, our main stand is that we are,
I've seen your stand. How can you take that stand? How can you take
our
that
fund
stand?
position is only 20 lakhs at the time of filing
Get it.
this. Yes, my lord.
We will wind you up for compliance of our orders. You
My
are
lord,
receiving salaries.
If I'm not
Are
wrong,
you receiving salaries?
Yes, we receive salary, my lord. And that pension fund actually it's contributed from the salary received from
You
the
are receiving
government.
salaries, these poor people are not getting anything. So 50% of your salaries from today will be paid to them.
My lord, even if they are paid
Nothing.
50%, my lord,
Have you gone up on appeal before the Supreme Court against this order?
no, my lord.
Then
Challenging to appeal, my lord, it's not, I don't think it will be futile for us also, my lord. Today, I'm aware that the petitioner are filing another writ petition before this Honorable High Court.
for what?
Maybe to give specific direction to pay the pension either to government.
Any
Today
other
it's listed, my lord, before Justice Michael, my lord. Item number 1 and 2, my lord. Same parties, my lord.
Registry to list this matter along with WPC number.
22 and 23, my lord.
What happened in that cases?
Notice is issued only, it's the first hearing, my lord.
Notice issue.
Yes.
Along with WPC number
22 and 23, my lord.
22/2025 and 23/2025,
Yes, my
right?
lord. Yes.
Together. I was going only and you stopped me. Anything more? Nothing else. No, part 2, is anybody taking up today? Not. Then we'll have it tomorrow. Anything
Same order,
part 2? Tomorrow.
Yes, my lord.
Right? Thank you.
I'm obliged, my lord.